Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amapenzo TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana Bafana 1, Panama 2. I'm joined by the best chairman.
Steve unjani Tim?
Welcome back.
Ngimnanda Tim. Sihlabe sihlekizana. I'm happy to be back home. Basho kanjalo ngesingisi. Ekade ngekho mfethu yazende bengimisa ama fans wethu very blind. Sure. Yeah, mfethu yabona phela la kusekhaya mangekho la nyathinteka. Yabo. And ngizwile ukuthi iziningi ezenzekile ngekho but akunanda. Yeah, ngithe nje ngilenda ngeza ukuthi hayi but iPirates eyodwa and then the rest bayayizonda but asikho lapho mngani wami ithi singene ku game. Zoba address ngi7.
Okay.
Yabayeka ithi sihlukanisi. Singayihlanganisa uthama yabo. Yeah, Sithibo nami ngibe one abantu abanenhlanhla ukuthi at least today ngwitness igame Bafana nePanama yabo.
Sure.
Sithibo akubhodanga umuntu akubhodanga umuntu sase izinto ukuthi sisangayilungisa uthama. uBruce mfethu uyiqualifyele iAFCON wayiqualifyele iWorld Cup bekunganamuntu omncedayo manje why no sesine-certificates zokucoach abafethu imani kancane imani kancane umadala azenzela into yakhe uyavaya vele asiboni ukuthi usinikana okay singamjudge ngeAFCON kuAFCON akuhambanga grand and ubuyile wasbrief ukuthi abafana bebangayiphethanga grand kuAFCON nayo leya siyasizwa ngaye but sizoyithatha njengetimer elibheka ingcosi zalo ukuthi abafethu azini ndangibe neflop right manje sesifocus ku World Cup wona Sithibo right igame namhlanje ukhipha ilokhuzana ukhipha igoalkeeper eSundowns ufaka uLina
after
igoalkeeper ukuthi ayikaze yavimba eMzansi but still mina njengoche angeke ngimblame uLina bangakhala abakhalayo uLina shawe stage fright ngihlala ngisho ukuthi stage fright idinga ukutshela uthama undamane mayicala ukufika kuBafana ngakhuluma indaba la nginawe mawuya kuma archives ngathi ushawa stage fright zangithuka ezasePitori blind zathi adayide ngayitsi ibhola today ezasePitori ziphakamisa u6 no7 zithi nja egame so sekho ilento leyo ukuthi mfethu sometimes umuntu mawungamazi angeke uzumfadela nalento leyo ukuthi eMzansi sibheka ibhola ngokuthi ngifavor iPirate ngilandela amagame ePirate and nalama team lawo iPirate edlala nawo angwa analyze you understand ngikwenzele example kusasa kungathiwa iPirate ibhay player ku Stellenbosch khona omunye abangathi mabe msubstitute abamfaka hlele eduze kwami stadium athi mangidwaneni mara iplayer le Stellenbosch they were ignorant ngakhona we understand our time they were ignorant ngakhona we understand our time so kule game le mina ngithi ku Hugo Bruce madala 7 wena uyibambile ngePirate neSundowns Ildada khona into ezophuma yabona njengoba hlanganisa iPirate neSundowns avethiwa ama team ayiKenya
angazamini ikhosinyana abomdusha abalala
Sithibo sekulate
lebovila
Sithibo sekulate ku-experience akayibambe ngeBhakania neSundowns
sure
yena khona abantu ekumele aba-add and labantu ekumele aba-add still bakuBhakania neSundowns yabo manje mina ngizokhuluma ngale nithi ubani le coach eSundowns Mugwelo Urban Khados yabona mfethu Khados ngicela agaye uReyners igame time because mayengamgayi game time uzosala yabo and le yantwana siyayinida ku World Cup awuthi amangabe sizoya ngokuthi player lidlala kanjani bese sithi silifaka ku World Cup angcono nilanda uJunior Ngobe ke because naye bekantswembu angeke size silijaje kanjani ibhola you understand uKhadoso mfethu ngicela field manje injury time angiyazi ukuthi okay ku-awkward mfethu bafuna ikhefu bafuna ileague you understand but kunama player ekumele awacabangele you understand nokuthi esande intwana lezi mele career yazo nazo uRenas mfethu mayengabulawa ebench no angeke aye ku-World ngiyakutshela mina yazi sizokwenza nsipho sizocomplaina njengoba sicomplaina manje nami ngibhakane uyangazi lo mqeni uRenas ngiyamfuna but ngizomfuna kanjani ahlele ebenchini
akhonakala
ngizomfuna kanjani ahlele ebenchini uRenas mfethu kumele angene simbone adlala ibhola we understand that right so yiyo nje into uKhadoso sekumele ayenze and then i10 yakhe uMadala namhlanje into engiyibonile emnandi ngaye uqale uMadala uqale nge433
sure
u10 adla uReal adlala i10 untwana bekaphula amafester ushode nje ngeoutezi slim you understand ezikhona ukubona ukuthi market uyagcobhoza zikwazi ukugijima zicover amabhola akhe manje into engithanda ngoMadala ubacala ngentwana you understand uReal namhlanje uprove abantu ababhaya ama haters akho ukuthi ukhona ucala ngentwana ayifake ibakhathaza mabeceda ukukhathala afake umshishi iGrootman manje iGrootman ingenani izomastara lapho senzani angithi uReal ufast ugijima nabo iGrootman slower down sebakhathela already pace you understand sebafaka amabhola benzani Madala yekela lo kono wakho rini nale Eastern Cape akusebenzekanga yeka bakhona abafana ongabathola babe yi but bafethu Sithibo sengiyivala lentwana leyo lina ngicela singabi phezukwayo as South Africans asika i-chance ukuthi nayo bekuyi first game abhaya ama player afike abhayiza nge-first game you understand but ngoba ele team yami ngizokhona ukunderstand ayispan kanjalo bese ngibonga the whole nation ngibonge namakhosi ukuthi angigcine nisoba this time seniyazi ukuthi South Africa is South Africa and kumnandi makunjalo yabo sekeleni lezo lesibhemayo sazi ukuthi bafana ya ku World Cup Sithibo thank you
uthila ngiyabona kasabhimi
ngicela ucorrecta something ngicela ucorrecta hayi ukuthi umdu no nentwana le abekho mnandi i-problem yabo i-structure sabo i-team asikaga abakabi grand leswa mhlawumbe ukubrusa ngamba intwana ezigrand umdu ushabalala uyalazi distance urayini ngaliqala but at the moment mhlawumbe ngoJune ngafika uJune abathatha vine nabo intwana zifike zisibonise something but babamisa mina wami bayamisa and it's unfair ukuthi manje uthathe intwana lezi manje uhamba uzifake
deep end
masifika la sizotonta ngoba manje so thina nathi sibi nama expectation ukuthi sifuna bayenze 1 2 3 bese bangasiniki kube ngathi manje last time yakhumbula wamthatha umdu azangazamdlalisa wahamba naye wabuya intwana bakhala but it's not fair ukuthi manje mina into engikhalela ukuthi just icoacher mayikhetha abantu asisupporteni noma ikhethe bani akhetha bani akhetha noma ngabafaka ke nabo akabafake then thina support but singafaka abantu ngama emotions
hayi thank you team cela siyivala
sengivala nje ngivala fast kusele 9 games ku PSL and sibheke iSundowns iPirate iChiefs ukuthi zizofuna ukushow up naye uBrazil azobona khona amalokhuzana ama player azowachoose and la uthi yami kule 9 games kusangaba nama injuries kusangenzeka into ezibhayi so now ama player Chiefs asangaba nayo chance ukuthi angene esquadini you understand so that's why ngithi asupporteni when it comes to national team bafethu asekeleni ubuhlanga ukuthi mina ngibhakaniya wena
asupporteni
uyayibona right mara ke angina man of the match angeke ngize ngikhomba abantu bangaphandle ngithi alone eblonde ngathi umnandi ezama zibanga mnandi
hayi kaye mina che
women of the
dango